In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a sell limit order on MetaTrader 5. We'll go through the process slowly and clearly so you understand not just where to click, but also what this type of order is meant to do. A sell limit order is used when you want to open a sell trade at a higher price than the current market price. In other words, you expect price to rise first, reach your selected level, and then potentially move downward. To begin, open MetaTrader 5 and locate the market or chart where you want to place the order. Once you're ready, right-click in the platform to bring up the trading menu. From there, click on Trading and then select Sell Limit. After that, the order window will appear. This is where you'll enter the details of your pending order. In the price field, type the level where you want the sell order to be triggered. Because this is a sell limit order, that price should be above the current market price. If the price is below the market, then it would not match the purpose of this order type. You can also set additional risk management options here. Stop loss is optional, but it's very important if you want to control potential losses. This is the price level where your trade will close automatically if the market moves against you. Take profit is also optional and allows the trade to close automatically once your target profit level is reached. There is also an expiration setting, which you can use if you only want the order to remain active until a certain date or time. If that time is reached and the order has not been triggered, it will expire automatically. Once all the details are filled in, click Place to submit the order. Let's look at the example shown here. If the current EUR/USD price is 1.1200, a limit order price such as 1.1180 would be below the market. For a sell limit order, the trigger price must be above the current market price. So make sure you double check that before placing the order. The example, stop loss is 1.1960 and the take profit is 1.1230, but always review these values carefully so they match the direction of the order you're placing. Finally, after reviewing everything, click to confirm the sell setup below. A good habit is to always check the order type, trigger price, stop loss, and take profit one last time before submitting. That helps prevent simple mistakes and makes your trading process much more consistent.